Okay. Go get it. Go get it, bud. Go
Are you
ahead.
gonna pick up the ring?
Go get it, buddy. Go get it. She's like, what? What?
All the pressure.
Oh, the pressure. Come on. Come get Daddy's ring. Come on. Come get it. Come get it. Come on. Come get it. I'm mobile because look at me. I'm mobile. I got it. I got my Daddy's ring.
Aren't you a big girl?
Yeah.
By yourself.
I know. I know. Just throw it in. It's all recycling. It just needs to go out. Yeah.
Guess what, Logan? Your birthday's coming and I brought you a present. It's probably too hot for you right now, but
Ooh,
I got you some fuzzy
present.
socks. Look at, feel those. You want to feel them?
Oh, she's like, those feel good. She likes the tags.
Yeah.
That's what I bought her for our trip. I bought her a bunch of socks when we went to Texas.